Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 9th lesson. Sorry, we are studying 11th lesson constructions. And next point is construction of triangles. In that first point is to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and sum of other two sides. Now try to understand. We are given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we are given its base. It means BC is given to us. A base angle, one of the base angle is given. So imagine that out of the two base angles, that is angle B and angle C are base angles. Out of this, one angle is given, angle B is given. And sum of other two sides means we are given AB plus AC. Please understand, we are given that BC is given, then angle B is given, and AB plus AC is given. So if these 3 points are given, then how to construct a triangle, that we are going to study. For this, construct a segment BC. So imagine we are given BC, base is equal to, imagine that we are given 7 centimeter, then angle B is equal to, angle B is equal to 60 centimeters, and AB plus AC is 14 centimeters. How to construct the triangle? For this, let us see how it can be constructed. First, we have to draw the base. We have to draw the base 7 centimeter. For this, make a point at 0 and at 7 centimeters. Please note, this is a mark at 0, this is another mark at 7 centimeter. Join these 2 points. We are given the point B. Now we have drawn a segment BC, which is a base, that is 7 centimeters. Here please note, we are going to use one property. We have already studied that all the points on perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the terminal points. That property we are going to use. Means the property, I will try to explain the property again. Imagine that there is a segment of 5 centimeters. You can understand this is 0 and 5. Now we have already studied perpendicular bisector. Please note, on perpendicular bisector, when we draw a perpendicular bisector, these points on perpendicular bisector, please note, all the points on perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the terminal points. So please note, this property we are going to use. So this is a perpendicular bisector. Please note the point, this point. Imagine there is another point on the perpendicular bisector. Watch carefully. This point is equidistant from the terminal point. So you will note that this point is equidistant from the terminal points. You take any point on the perpendicular bisector. If you take this point on perpendicular bisector, please note the distance of this point on perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the terminal points. Please note both the points have same distance. So we are going to use this property that all the points are equidistant from the term. This point and this distance is always equal. If you take this distance and this distance, it is always equal. Any point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from the end points. This property we are going to use for this. Now for this, angle B is given to us as 60 degrees. Next point is angle B is 60 degrees. For that, keep the protractor at the point B, and from 0 to B make an angle of 60 degrees. Watch carefully. I am taking an angle 60 degree. This can be drawn with the help of compass as well. Now we have studied how to draw 60 degree with the compass. For this, we make an arc. Without changing the distance. Please note, without changing the distance, we make another arc intersecting the earlier arc. Please note where I am keeping the compass. So here, if you draw, I will get a 60-degree angle with the help of compass. Please note, you can see it passes through the same 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Now we are given that AB plus AC is 14 centimeter. So we will have to draw AB plus AC 14 centimeter. For this, make a point at 14 centimeter. This is a 14 centimeter mark. 60 degree and 14 centimeter. Now watch carefully. This point is D point. Please let us give some name to the point, that is the D point, which is at 14 centimeters. Please note BD is equal to 14 centimeter, but we are given that AB plus AC is 14 centimeter. See how I am constructing here. I was given AB plus AC is equal to 14 centimeter and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. So if I take a point anywhere, if I take a point here, I will get this some distance and this is distance, but the addition of these two must be 14 centimeter. Then how to construct this? For this, join the point CD. We have to join the point CD. Join the point CD. Verify whether your pencil touches the same points. Then draw the line. Now see, I have constructed the segment CD. The property that I am going to use is, I am going to use the property of this, that is all the points on perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the end points or from the terminal points. So I am going to bisect CD. Watch carefully how I am bisecting. Now it is, we have to take the distance more than half on the compass. Make one arc towards the left side, one to the right side, and from D point as well, you have to make one arc to the left, one arc to the right. Now draw a perpendicular bisector on CD. So watch carefully. I have drawn perpendicular bisector bisecting CD. Please note this point. We have already studied the property that all the points on perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the end points. Means this point is equidistant from C and D. Similarly, this point, the intersection of BD and the perpendicular bisector, this point is A point. Watch carefully. This point is A point, and it is, if I draw a segment AC, then I am going to get AC equals to AD. Reason is, we have bisected CD and the points on the perpendicular bisector are equidistant from the end points. So please note, we know that BA plus AD is 14 centimeter. We have constructed this BD is equal to 14 centimeter. BD is nothing but BA plus AD. But AD equals to AC. AD equals to AC. Reason is, all points on perpendicular bisector. All points on perpendicular bisector are equidistant from terminal points, that is the end points, from terminal points. So I can say that instead of AD, this AC, if it is written, I will get BA plus AC is equal to 14 centimeter. BA plus AC is nothing but AB plus AC is 14 centimeter. So thus we have got BA plus AC is equal to 14 centimeter, that is the sum of the other two sides. Angle B we have constructed as 60 degrees and BC we have constructed as 7 centimeters. So in this way we can construct a triangle if the base is given, base angle is given, and sum of the other two sides is given.